The leaked release date of GPT-5 has sent shockwaves through the AI community, sparking concerns about its potential impact on human jobs, AI ethics, and the future of technological advancements. But what exactly does this mean for us, and why should we care? Imagine a world where AI has surpassed human intelligence, making life-or-death decisions with ease. Sounds like science fiction, but it's not. GPT-5, the latest iteration of the GPT series, is poised to revolutionize the way we interact with machines. But with great power comes great responsibility, and the question on everyone's mind is, can we trust AI to make the right decisions? The answer, however, is far from clear. While GPT-5 has been designed to be more accurate and efficient than its predecessors, its ability to understand human emotions and context is still limited. This raises concerns about its potential impact on human relationships, decision-making, and even our sense of identity.
But what about the benefits of GPT-5? Will it make our lives easier, more efficient, and more productive? The answer is a resounding yes. GPT-5 has been designed to assist humans in a wide range of tasks, from customer service to medical diagnosis. Its advanced language processing capabilities make it an ideal tool for data analysis, content creation, and even creative writing. However, the benefits of GPT-5 come with a price. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, we risk losing our sense of agency and autonomy. We may start to rely too heavily on machines to make decisions for us, rather than taking ownership of our actions.
The controversy surrounding GPT-5's release date has also sparked debates about AI ethics and accountability. Who is responsible when AI makes a mistake? And how can we ensure that AI is used for the greater good? These are questions that require careful consideration and attention. One possible solution is to establish clear guidelines and regulations for AI development and deployment. This would ensure that AI is used in a way that benefits humanity rather than causing harm. However, this is a complex issue that requires input from experts across various fields, including AI, ethics, and law.
The future impact of GPT-5 on humanity will be profound. As AI continues to advance, we can expect to see significant changes in the way we live, work, and interact with each other. GPT-5 will likely be a catalyst for this change, pushing the boundaries of what is possible with AI. However, this also raises concerns about job displacement and the potential for AI to make human jobs obsolete. While some argue that AI will create new job opportunities, others fear that it will lead to widespread unemployment.
So what can we do to prepare for the consequences of GPT-5's release date? The answer is to stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay adaptable. We need to be aware of the potential risks and benefits of AI and take steps to mitigate any negative impacts. This means investing in education and retraining programs that focus on AI literacy and skills development. It also means promoting responsible AI development and deployment practices and ensuring that AI is used for the greater good. In conclusion, the leaked release date of GPT-5 has sent shockwaves through the AI community, sparking concerns about its potential impact on human jobs, AI ethics, and the future of technological advancements. While the benefits of GPT-5 are undeniable, we must also be aware of the risks and take steps to mitigate them. So what do you think? Will GPT-5 make human jobs obsolete, or will it revolutionize the way we interact with machines? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more AI news, updates, and analysis. We'll be back with more content soon, so stay tuned.